Reinforcement learning. Explained reinforcement learning, RL, is a dynamic area of artificial intelligence where agents learn to make decisions through trial and error in an environment. Unlike supervised learning, where datasets contain explicit input-output pairs, reinforcement learning encourages agents to take actions that yield the greatest cumulative reward over time. Imagine a game where an agent learns to play by receiving feedback on its actions, winning through exploration, and understanding the consequences of its choices. At the heart of RL lies the concept of the agent-environment interaction. The agent perceives the state of the environment and subsequently takes an action based on its policy, which has been shaped through learning. As the agent acts, it receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, allowing it to refine its approach. Picture a robot navigating a maze. Each time it encounters a wall or reaches the endpoint, it learns which paths are beneficial or detrimental. This cycle of exploration, exploitation, and reinforcement effectively fosters intelligent behavior. One prominent application of reinforcement learning is in robotics. Robots equipped with RL algorithms can learn complex tasks like walking, grasping objects, and even navigating autonomously through unpredictable environments. This capability comes from extensive training, where robots simulate myriad scenarios to adapt their movements and strategies. For instance, a robotic arm may practice lifting various objects through many iterations, gradually perfecting its grip strength and approach, improving efficiency while minimizing errors. Another compelling application of reinforcement learning is in game development, where RL techniques have led to remarkable advancements. Games like chess and Go have seen computers defeating human champions due to RL agents' ability to evaluate countless possible positions and outcomes. Picture an RL agent carefully navigating a chessboard, calculating potential moves, assessing risks, and learning from each match, resulting in strategic superiority over time. Additionally, reinforcement learning finds its applications in fields like healthcare, for personalized treatment planning, and finance, for optimized trading strategies. By simulating various scenarios, RL algorithms can help devise optimal plans that maximize outcomes based on individual patient responses or market changes, demonstrating their versatility. As RL algorithms continue to evolve, their potential to revolutionize industries and improve efficiencies becomes ever more apparent, paving the way for advanced decision-making systems that learn from experience and adapt continually.